Okay, so finally it's finished. It looks awesome. It has a pretty good depth, and I cut the mirrors yesterday on the laser cutter in our club, and otherwise I couldn't cut these mirrors with my laser because my laser is uh, it just won't cut the acrylic plastic. So I'm going to also plug in my dodecahedron. As you can see, it starts right there, and it has a little reflection from the light from the ceiling. So uh, let's see if I can move something in a. There we go. Move my overhead. That's too much. Let's see, where does it go? Well, it's coming from that light over there behind me. So I guess no matter what I do over here, it's not gonna fix it. So, but the main thing is that they are both done, and they look awesome. And I have to print the stand for this, and so it sits on a corner, about like this. So it looks a little bit more impressive when it's on a corner like that. The dodecahedron, of course, looks good from every angle. So enjoy it and have a great day.